Here's a bank account and the balance is just sitting there wide open, now from a completely different class. Someone writes account.balance equals 0 and it works. Your savings, gone. Should every piece of code be allowed to touch your data? Obviously not. That's the problem access modifiers solve. Start with public. A public member is open to everyone. Any class, any package, anywhere in your program can read and change it. Maximum access, zero protection. Perfect for things meant to be shared, dangerous for things that aren't. Now private, the opposite. A private member can only be touched by code inside the same class. Try to read emp.salary from outside and it won't even compile. The salary is locked in a vault and only the class itself holds the key. But if salary is private, how does anyone read it? Through a getter. We keep salary private and add a public method, getSalary, that returns it. The outside world asks politely through the method instead of reaching into the vault. That controlled access is the heart of encapsulation. Protected is the one most tutorials get wrong. Protected means two groups can access it, anyone in the same package and any subclass, even a subclass in a different package, through inheritance. So manager, which extends employee, can use a protected field, an unrelated class cannot. Protected equals package access plus subclass access. Default is what you get when you write no modifier at all. It's called package private, accessible anywhere in the same package, but blocked from every other package. Same building, fine, different building, denied. Here's a key point. Modifiers aren't just for variables. The very same keywords guard four things: classes, variables, methods, and constructors. On methods, it works exactly the same way. A public method, like display, anyone can call. A private method, like calculate tax, is internal machinery. Only the class itself can call it, hidden from the outside world. Constructors can be guarded too. Make the constructor private, and no outside code can write new employee. Object creation is locked. That sounds useless, but it's the foundation of the singleton pattern, where a class controls exactly how many objects exist. Now the non-access modifier everyone asks about, final. A final variable can be set once and never reassigned. Age is 25, try age equals 30, and it won't compile. A final method cannot be overridden. If employee marks display as final, a manager subclass is not allowed to replace it. You're locking the behavior in place. And a final class cannot be extended at all. Mark employee final, and no class can inherit from it. That's exactly why string is final, so nobody can subclass it and tamper with it. Put it all together in one class. Public, private, protected, final, every keyword you were once unsure about. You now know exactly who each one lets in and what it locks down. The cheat sheet for interviews: public, private, protected, and default can all guard variables, methods, and constructors. But two gotchas. A top-level class can only be public or default, never private or protected, and final can apply to a variable, method, or class, but never to a constructor. Interview round. Who can access a private member versus a public one? Private, only code inside the same class. Public, any class, anywhere. Private is the most restricted, public the most open. Question 2, the favorite. Protected, who exactly can access it? The same package, like default, plus subclasses, including subclasses in other packages. Protected equals default access plus subclass access. Question 3, what is default or no modifier access? Package private, visible only within the same package and nowhere else. Question 4, can a top-level class be private or protected? No, a top-level class can only be public or default. Private and protected are allowed only on nested classes. Question 5, what does final do and where can't it go? A final variable can't be reassigned. A final method can't be overridden. A final class can't be extended. And final can never be applied to a constructor. Now it's your turn. Take the topic test and lock it in. 5 multiple choice plus 5 short answers, graded by AI. The link is in the description below. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one-on-one connect. From this video onward, that's a promise.